Hello there, in this video I will show you how to use mobile data during a call or how to turn on mobile data always on using Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Tap on Connections. Mobile Network. Turn on the use of mobile data during calls. Now you can use mobile data during a phone call. Step 2. Find out about phone or about device. Tap on it. Tap on software information. Now tap on the build number for the 7 times to enable the developer options. I am not tapping this time because I already enabled the developer options. After you enable the developer options, move back from here and open the developer options. Find out mobile data always active. Turn on the mobile data always active. Now you are all set to use mobile data during the call. Thanks for watching.